Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable player-created content in Battlefield 6. Let's get started. So once you're on the Battlefield 6 home screen, go to top menu and select the settings gear icon. Then here in the left-hand side of the settings menu, scroll down past gameplay and continue until you reach system. And inside the System tab, you'll see an option called Show Player Created Content. Just toggle it from off to on. This unlocks the custom experience made by the community. Then back out to the main menu, go to Community, and click the Search Experiences, and try opening any custom mode. If the option is enabled, you can now join or host these experiences without restrictions. And that's it. You've now unlocked community made content in Battlefield 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.